Here are healthy air fryer recipes for weight loss with detailed methods. 1. Air fryer zucchini chips. Ingredients: 1 medium zucchini, thinly sliced 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, or almond flour for low carb, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, optional, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Cooking spray method. 1. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a bowl, mix breadcrumbs, Parmesan, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. 3. Pat zucchini slices dry with a paper towel. 4. Lightly spray the zucchini slices with cooking spray and coat them with the breadcrumb mixture. 5. Arrange slices in a single layer in the air fryer basket. 6. Air fry for 8–10 minutes, flipping halfway through, until golden and crispy. 7. Serve with a side of low-fat yogurt or hummus. 2. Air fryer salmon with lemon garlic. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, about 4–6 ounces each, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon dried dill, optional, juice of 1/2 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Method. 1. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Pat the salmon fillets dry with a paper towel. 3. In a small bowl, mix olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, dill, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 4. Brush the mixture evenly over the salmon fillets. 5. Place the salmon fillet skin side down in the air fryer basket. 6. Air fry for 8–10 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through, internal temp of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. 7. Serve with steamed veggies or a fresh salad. 3. Air fryer sweet potato fries. Ingredients: 2 medium sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into thin strips, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 of a teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, half a teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Method. 1. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Toss sweet potato strips with olive oil, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 3. Spread the fries in a single layer in the air fryer basket. 4. Air fry for 12–15 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through, until crispy and golden. 5. Serve with a side of Greek yogurt dip or guacamole. 4. Air fryer chicken breast. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon dried thyme or oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Method. 1. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Rub chicken breasts with olive oil and season with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, thyme, salt, and pepper. 3. Place chicken in the air fryer basket, leaving space between them. 4. Air fry for 15–18 minutes, flipping halfway, until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 5. Let rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Pair with roasted vegetables or a quinoa salad. 5. Air fryer veggie patties. Ingredients: 1 cup grated carrots, 1 cup grated zucchini, squeezed dry, 1/2 cup cooked quinoa, 1/4 cup oat flour, or whole wheat flour, 1 egg, or flax egg for vegan, half a teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Method. 1. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix well. 3. Form the mixture into small patties, about 2 inches wide. 4. Lightly spray the air fryer basket with cooking spray. 5. Place patties in the basket and air fry for 10–12 minutes, flipping halfway through, until golden and firm. 6. Serve with a side of salsa or low-fat yogurt. These recipes are packed with flavor, low in calories, and easy to prepare. Enjoy guilt-free, healthy meals while sticking to your weight loss goals. Let me know if you'd like more ideas or adjustments.